Anyone at all? Guess I'm paying myself a tip this time.
You'll see the bags outside your door in a couple hours.
Okay.
And if you want to tip the porter, just your opportunity right here.
Yeah, I would. But I did all the work. Here we are. Let's go.
Happy New Year, sir.
Thank you. Happy New Year to you. The documents show that you're wrestling on a bed that should have suitcases on it.
Yeah, where's our suitcases?
Faster to the fun. Hello, there you go.
How are you?
Good. See, that's my 25th cruise. Yeah, do I get anything for that?
I'm fine.
All right. Could you help me with my luggage? You knocked something very important. I wonder if any of that is our luggage.
Come on, Vominos. Everybody, let go.
It's 4:35. You know what time it is?
Here we go.
Faster to the fun. Hello.
Hello.
Are you here with our luggage? Yeah, let's see. Is the shrimp actually bigger than the lobster? Yeah, I think it is.
Happy New Year.
No, they gotta be up in the air, not on your hand.
There goes another year.
Adios, hasta luego. What's up with it?
Want to see the Bahamas refrigerator? Well, if we see each other in the infirmary later, we'll know why. Fresh from the Bahamas storage bin. enjoy. Bon appetit. It's my 25th cruise. Any really nice beaches anywhere? I'm back.
Did you see the water?
No, I found a special beach. Not quite. This menu makes me very happy. Very happy. I would like the fried calamari. I would like the chilled Vietnamese roll. I would like the conch fritters. I would additionally like the Caribbean pepper steak. Adding to that, I will also have the vegetable lasagna. I believe that should be enough. Thank you.
I think you need more.
Maybe for dessert. In case you get hungry. Yes.
Can you tell me what we're doing today in Grand Turk?
Yes.
We're walking.
Possibly.
They have a beach right at the dock.
You've only been there 20 times. Yes, they do have a beach. So I assume that was not a question, that was a statement.
I don't think the Margaritaville was there when we were there the last time.
Only the last 20 times. Is this genuine gold? Well, this is my wife, and we've been married for a long time, and I'd like to buy her something special for our anniversary. Do you have, like, what is the finest of the fake gold that you have? Where have you been? Hello, where are we going?
Oh,
yeah. I guess that explains where you've been.
She got 15 seconds.
I'm looking for like a secluded beach, like a fancy, nice beach.
Yes.
Yeah.
Next to the next south.
Over that way, okay?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
We are here spending time in the nicest restaurant, and I personally have the nicest view in this entire restaurant.
Do you know where your father is?
I don't know. Haven't seen him in a while. Found him.
Thank you.
Thanks for you.
Wow. We're not exactly sure where she went.
Well,
Oh, we know.
we know,
Yeah.
The ambience here is great.
Steak is here. Yummy. Thank you very much. Pizza Glacier. Brought to you by Pizza Pirate.
Definitely, yeah, for sure. Is the price right? Yeah. Deal or no deal?
Yeah, you can use hats, you can use shawls, you can use sandals.
DJ!
Where is it?
Channel 3. Channel 4. Channel 5.
1, 2, and 3.
Happy birthday to you.
Now tonight we have some very, very special individuals that are coming down that are going to be our VIPs pulling up but I'm not sure who exactly to see.
This is my 25th cruise, and I was wondering, do I get anything special as a VIP?
No, I'm so sorry. Just have fun and enjoy.
All right, I get to go to the back seat over there, right? Okay, thank you. This is a moving picture. What's your platinum VIP price for the sunglasses?
$10.
How much did you get them for?
$6.
Coveted 14 karat gold plastic ship on a stick. Could this be one of ours today?
We win!
After what, 5 days now, finally, I feel special.
I'd like to try the escargot.
I'll have the featured vegetarian, and then to go with my vegetarian, I'd also like the chicken breast. Where's this from?
It's from guest compliment from guest services.
Is that because of my 25th cruise or because of the green TV? Thank you, Carnival Guest Services. We do appreciate it. I'll take a little more. It is my 25th cruise, not theirs. And reset. Reset. Now push it back. Oh wow, look at that one. We had a jackpot there.
Just did a major move.
1 second, we're curling over here. We're American table curling.
There we go. There we go.
It's my 25th cruise on Carnival.
Oh, congratulations. Oh, you're the one with the milestone the other day.
Yeah.
Like, tell me that this gets me nothing.
Yep. And guess what it got me?
Nothing.
Is there a way to get 3 or 4 of the garbage bags? All right, well, I'm going to go on my last port day here in República Dominicana, and I'm going to go explore the sun-drenched beach pool. It appears it is time for us to leave Dominican Republic. Goodbye, Dominican Republic. Goodbye, random British tourists wearing bathrobes. There you go. That is more proper for our British sailing guests. You must be really smart by now. Spotting of the young one.
Everything came out afterwards.
I'm not following what you're meaning. Can you please explain it a little bit more clearly? I'm not quite sure what you're saying.
I'm about 7 pounds lighter now.
I'm still not understanding. Did you go to the gym?
No, I did not.
Oh.
Unlike you, he was able to poop.
Ah, thank you for clarifying. It's good good to know it's non-fat. Now I can eat this all day long. Non-fat, that's good, right?
Yeah. Cameras and sewer pipes. And your Tarzan cries out like this! Move it on up to the left, so you will take that.
Good day. I got you a hot chocolate. Don't look at it, just drink it. It's hot chocolate. It's the flavor of the day.
Anybody say
Thank you.
the celebration?
Are you the captain?
No.
Oh,
I'm the chef.
Oh, you're chef? Well, you do a very good job. Where have you been for this 7 days? See all these awards here. Is there any extra that would be like wonderful for a 25 platinum winner?
I'm trying to think.
That's really nice.
We're gonna...
They won't even notice. They won't even notice. Yeah. Not even, yeah, we didn't see a thing. Not a thing. Not a thing. Look what I just won. They had this made special for 25th Platinum Diamond Platinum Anniversary Milestone Cruises. Specially made for me. They handed it to me. The captain even. Thank you, Carnival.
Oppa Gangnam Style.
Can't finish my last 5 ice creams. Please, help yourself. Thank you. Would you like one more?
Bring them to the comedy show and hand them out. Thrown away.
Can I interest you in an ice cream?
Oh, no, thank you.
Please,
Does
take one
anyone
more.
want ice cream? A man out here is delivering ice cream cone. Oh, my son will
Ice
take
cream?
it. Oh, please.
Here you go.
Okay.